latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Mahendra Singh Dhoni is arguably the greatest captain in Indian cricketing history. Given his exploits on the pitch, Dhoni is also one of the biggest names in the brand industry in the world. Speculation on an athlete's net worth is an immortal phenomenon, and that of MS Dhoni's is no exception. Dhoni's net worth in 2020 is estimated to be a whopping $110 million, a far cry from his contract earnings. A bulk of his riches are in fact from his own business ventures and brand endorsements. Given the quantum of riches, MS Dhoni has featured in the Forbes highest paid athletes in the world time and again. Back in 2015, MS Dhoni was the only Indian sportsman in Forbes magazine's 100 highest paid athletes in the world. In 2015 and 2014, he was the only Indian athlete to be included in Forbes 100 highest paid athletes in the world, ranking 23rd and 22nd respectively, with an earning of $31 million and $30 million respectively. His highest rank in the list was in 2013 when he snatched the 16th spot with over $31.5 million in earnings during that year. In 2012, Forbes magazine had ranked him as the highest paid cricketer in the world with $26.5 million, and he stood 12th in the list of 100 highest paid athletes. When it comes to Forbes India Celebrity 100 list, Captain Cool has featured in the top 5 twice. The former Indian captain stood in the number 5 spot on the 2019 Forbes India Celebrity 100 list. He saw his income soar from 101.77 crore rupees in 2018, where he stood in the 5th position, to 135.93 crore rupees in 2019. In 2017, Dhoni made 63.77 crore rupees and stood 7th in the list. Truth be told, only a small portion of his massive payout comes directly from Dhoni's on-field play. A bulk of his riches are in fact from his own business ventures and brand endorsements. Currently, Dhoni has 20 endorsements, with only Shah Rukh Khan having more endorsements than him with 21. Dhoni also owns a number of sports teams, adding to his diverse portfolio. The renowned captain first trained in football as a goalkeeper, and his part ownership of Chennai FC, an Indian Super League team, proves his enduring love for the sport. He also owns Mahi Racing Team India, a racing team from the Super Sport World Championship, and Ranchi Race, a hockey club from his hometown. Dhoni is also the Vice President Marketing at the India Cements, which is owned by N. Srinivasan, the former BCCI President. Cut to present, Virat Kohli is taking the baton from Dhoni, not only when it comes to captaining the side but also earnings.